What if I told you the future isn't coming anymore? It's already here. China's humanoid robots are advancing at an incredible speed, and what they can do now is honestly shocking. These robots can perform kung fu, dance with precision, do backflips, and move with almost human-like control. Watch carefully. Their balance, speed, and coordination feel almost unreal. Just a few years ago, this level of robotics felt impossible. Today, it's real. And this is only the beginning. Soon, these machines could work in factories, assist in daily life, and transform entire industries. The AI revolution has started, and China is moving fast. Very fast.